Welcome everybody, Kevin with Helpful Tutorials here today with another fix. If you are having issues receiving phone calls, this is going to go through and help make sure you get those phone calls. Something that people do a lot of times and it's very simple to fix. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in and tell you all about it. If you do like phone fixes, tutorials, and app discovery, please do me a favor and smack that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. So what'll happen is you'll get some phone calls and they may go directly to voicemail. This could be for a few reasons. The main one is called Do Not Disturb. There is a setting in your iPhone that does allow a Do Not Disturb. If this is turned on, the calls can go right to voicemail and the notifications will be silent. As it says here, when Do Not Disturb is enabled, calls and notifications will be silenced. And it's not that easy to turn on if you are going into settings, hitting Do Not Disturb, and then going through and hitting the on switch to turn it on. So that's a lot of steps to go through and get that Do Not Disturb turned on. So how are you turning it on? Well, let's go ahead and go out of here and show you the quick way. If you pull down from the top, there's going to be a menu here and you may see it. It's the moon. So if we tap on the moon, you will then see a moon next to the 61% battery I currently have. And that is a quick way to tell if you are set to Do Not Disturb. So it's very simple to pull down here and tap on that by mistake, and all of a sudden you're not receiving phone calls, you're not getting notifications, everything's silenced. So that's the first thing you want to check. Sometimes when the screens are up, you won't see the moon, like right now, because the iPhone X and XR does not have enough space to place it if you're on Wi-Fi and everything. But if you pull down, you'll be able to see the moon next to the power, or that it's just turned on the button. To turn it off, simply tap the moon. So now we got that taken care of. Another issue it could be is the switch that silences the iPhone could be turned on. On the left side of the iPhone, there's a little mute switch. And if you currently see red when you look in there, it means your phone is muted. So all you want to do is flick that switch up towards the screen and it will go through and unsilence it. Also, you want to hit your volume button up or down to make sure you have volume. So those are the main ways to go through and get fixed. There is a chance you could also be blocking somebody's phone number, which does happen from time to time by mistake. I did make a whole nother video on that. I'll go ahead and link it here so you can go ahead and take a look at that and get it fixed if that's the case. I want to thank you so much for the view and have a great day.